So if you guys ever stop by Matthews, Missouri, there's a truck wash called 5-Star Truck Wash. They do a great job. Look, they get in that truck, man. They actually take care of that truck. They do the best. Look at that. Leave your truck looking brand new, basically. And get on top of that, man. Recommend it 100%. Do a great job. Look at that. So how we looking? About to wipe down right quick so we don't get no water spots on the wheels and the truck. Yeah, but we're looking clean. Looking really clean. Yeah. Y'all see how it look, right? Oh man, we looking good. Good morning, family. So we're gonna be making our first stop today. I think this is where we gotta turn. Yeah, we gotta turn right here. Yeah, this is our turn. It's just weird. Stopping. We're gonna be unloading 2 pallets here. This is Bells, Tennessee. I think that's where it's at right there. Yeah, that's it right there. This is a dead end. All right. Let me see. Shit, we're gonna get our tires dirty here, man. Come on, man. We'll figure something out. Go check in. Is it 7 yet? Yeah, they open at 7. 6:55. So man, they loaded this trailer. I guess they didn't put the load locks correct. I didn't put them. Alright, so we're going to load 3. And it's cold out here. We got a little dirty. It's alright, look good still. Yes, ma'am.
Long drive.
Yeah, it's all right. You know where you're gonna put it at?
I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say if you want me to do it, it's fine. Whoa. Take your time, take your time.
Yeah, I'm not good at this.
If you want, come back out. Yeah, let me see. I got you. It's all right.
So touchy.
Yeah, it's. There he goes. All right. First time using this, so now if hold on, let me get my sunglasses off because I can't see. That's why. Here. Hold it in so it doesn't fall back. Let me see.
Huh?
Alright. Let me see if it goes up a little more.
Yeah, maybe we need the forklift. Hold on a second. Let me.
You got a forklift?
Yeah, I've got a forklift.
Let me see.
Let's just hold on.
Yeah, this is not gonna go in. It's touching down there, so. Yeah, we're gonna need the forklift. I ain't even gonna mess with this because it might even fall if you keep trying to mess with it. And just go up. drop it down, pick it up with a forklift. That should be good. You just drop it here. Yeah, we don't want to mess this up, people. Just put it. Ah, man. Huh?
Back in there?
Yeah. He's gonna bring a forklift?
He's gonna bring a forklift.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the thing is, it's touching that,
It's too high.
yeah.
Either the trailer's too high or the...
Hey, we got the forklift here. Great. Two. Yeah. I don't know if you want to confirm with the bills that these are the actual.
You need a signature on the top one or the bottom one?
The last page is fine. Thank you. Appreciate that.
No problem.
Alright, so we got our first delivery off. Supposed to get the other one out of here. That's why the other one fell off, because it's too tight. We should be good. All right, you have a good day. Thank you. All right, let's take off now. Man, I left my door open, man. What's wrong with me? Oh, we looking good. Yeah. All right, so we got this one unloaded now. I'm gonna put our second seal. Camera, come on, man. better put our lock on. Man, beautiful morning out here, man. Beautiful morning in Tennessee. Oh, shit. We're good. Let's take off to our second stop. Our third stop. We're going to Sysco. We're going to Sysco in Memphis, Tennessee, people. I think I'm gonna be there all day. I'm thinking I'm gonna be there all day. So I'll catch you on the next one. So we just have our last stop. We just got unloaded here at Sysco. We're about to head to our next stop. Well, our next appointment is gonna be tomorrow because I'm probably not gonna get there in time. I'm like 200 miles away, and they close at 2 o'clock. So just gonna go park now. So we got here at 9 a.m. It is now 11:48. I read the reviews on Google for this Sysco here in Memphis, Tennessee. Everybody said it was gonna be bad, blah, 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 blah. You're gonna be there all day, but I got unloaded in 2 hours. And mind you, my appointment was for tomorrow at 6 a.m. I got unloaded a day early. So yeah, that's a good day for me, good win. And then tomorrow we're gonna go get unloaded at Jackson, Mississippi at a Performance Food. Yep. Yeah, we can't close our door. They gotta be able to see us, but let's go ahead and put our roll locks back on there, slide our tandems, and get out of here. Probably leave one door closed. Yep, not bad at all. So, oh man, what up now? Oh, it's a tow trailer. Okay. I don't think we need load locks for this, but you know, never hurts to put them on. So we got eggs. Okay. Get this a little tighter because that bottom one, yeah, we should be good. This is our last stop, so all right. Slide of tandems, get out of here. Okay, there you go. sure they're locked. Alright. Alright, we're good to go now. Get on. Good morning, YouTube. We're putting up to our last stop here at Performance Foods, Jackson, Mississippi. Our appointment's for 6 a.m. It's 5:45 right now. So, yeah. Performance, here we are. There's already a line of trucks. Jesus Christ, man. Yep. Yeah. So let's go ahead and check in. Catch y'all in a little bit.